In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand what client space is in Zendesk Sell. When people refer to a client space in Zendesk Sell, they're usually talking about the main area where customer-related information is organized and managed. It's not always a single page labeled client space, but rather a collection of connected sections that together give you a full view of your customer relationships. To get started, sign in to Zendesk Sell. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll access the key areas that make up this client-focused workspace. The first section is contacts. This is where individual people are stored, meaning the specific people you communicate with during the sales process. Next, you have companies, which represent the businesses or organizations connected to those contacts. Then there are leads, which are potential customers who have not yet been fully qualified. And finally, deals, which are the sales opportunities you're actively tracking through your pipeline. Together, these sections function as the central workspace for managing customer relationships in Zendesk Sell. Instead of keeping information scattered across different tools, Zendesk Sell helps keep it connected in one place, which makes follow-up and collaboration much easier. Within this area, you can do several important things. You can store customer contact details, track communication like emails and phone calls, create tasks and reminders, manage open sales opportunities, add notes and attachments, and monitor the full history of customer interactions. This is especially useful when you need quick context before reaching out to a customer or moving a deal forward. A helpful way to think about it is through a simple sales example. A sales representative might begin by creating a new lead when a potential customer first shows interest. Once that lead is qualified, it can be converted into a contact and a company. After that, the rep can create a deal to track the opportunity. As conversations continue, they can log meetings, emails, and other activities right inside the record. Then, once the customer makes a purchase, the deal can be marked as closed. What makes this so useful is that all of that information stays together inside Zendesk Sell. Rather than switching between separate systems or trying to piece together the customer journey manually, you get a more complete picture in one connected workspace. So if you're looking for what client space means in Zendesk Sell, think of it as the combined area where contacts, companies, leads, deals, and activities come together to help you manage the entire customer relationship clearly and efficiently.